Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. So this is the second video in the series of demonstration videos on how you can operate and report using the district website for the rota year 2020-2021. So today I'm going to explain how you can go ahead and showcase your project and then report it. Just a little heads up, I'm still going to use RCRCCIT's credentials. You might have yours emailed to you. Kindly check your emails. Find out. So once you're logged in, you will see everything that you have reported in the past, like projects, reported projects, members, meetings, bulletins, and participation in other club projects, if any. Now, since this is mainly going to be about showcasing a project, I'll just move on to the tab. Once you are here, you can go ahead and fill in the data. But before it, I'll also like to explain a few things regarding how you can organize all the reports or say uh, any content regarding your projects which you are going to report on the website. So here I have created a certain folder for it, that is district reporting 2020-2021. Once I'm in, I have divided into this into three more subfolders like bulletins, meetings, projects, etc. Once I'm inside the projects folder, I have a folder dedicated to a project which was organized in the past. I'll showcase it. So let's just say this is going to be organized. Uh, so once I'm inside the folder, you can see everything that is related to the project available here. Now this is only for illustrative purposes, and you can organize your content however you want, in whichever way you want. I'll just move back to the website and fill the data regarding the project. Let's just select a venue of project as community service and fill the name of the project. I'll select a file for the poster. Okay, a short description for the project. Now this short description is going to be available on the showcase project and in your bi-monthly bulletins. So make sure that it is short enough, not more than 300 characters, and also it does give you a glimpse or the idea of what the project is all about. Now for start date and start time, make sure that this is something in the future of when you are showcasing the project. Okay, so since I'm recording this video on 21st of August, I'll just select a date which is after 21st of August. Let's just say 25, and let's select the time at 12 p.m. I'll select the end time accordingly. Let's select this as 6 p.m. Okay, so your project might not end in a day, and you can select the end time accordingly. Say you could extend it up to a week, a month, or whatever it is like. Now for the venue, since this is going to be happening at multiple places, or you could write remote for that purpose. For the registration link, your project might have, you might be conducting a certain webinar, or even if it is an offline project, you might have a few registration links and everything. So just copy the link of the form and paste it here. Then for the Facebook event URL, this is when you are going to announce your project on somewhere on your social media. It might be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or wherever you see fit. Just select and just link, just copy the link and paste it right here. How this helps is, since you can only fill a few details regarding your project in the short description, what this will do is everything else can be mentioned, or everything else can be added on these particular social media links. So this is an optional field, but you can still go ahead and um, make sure you enter these social media links, so whoever is going to view your project knows a lot about it, knows everything about it. So once everything is done, I'll just select on submit. Once this is done, you will see that you have added a new project called Sankalp Taru. Okay, now this is a project that has been added. Okay, so let's move on to the next part, that is, has this been showcased or not. So this is, as you can see, is the district website. I'll just go to the club projects page, and as you can see that our project is visible here. Sankalp Taru, RCRCCRT, Tree Plantation Drive, date, time, multiple places. Here you have the registration link, and then you have the social media post and the poster as well. One specific point regarding the posters, it is recommended that you only upload posters which are square cropped, so it will make the visibility much more clear on the district website. Once you have showcased the project, the next part is reporting it. Since this is a showcase project, always select on the second tab, that is report project part. Once you are here, all you need to do is select the project which you want to report. Say for us at this moment it is Sankalp Taru. For the project report, I'll move back to the folder which I created for the project. So I have a few files here, that is, one is for project report, the other is for other clubs attendance and everything. So I'm sure you can be more creative than this. I'll just copy this and paste it back here. Now for the photos and videos URL, I have all my media collected here. You might have photos, videos, GIFs, whatever. So I'll just select this folder and get a shareable link. Now make sure that you have anyone with the link can view. Make sure the setting has been updated, or else whatever you share, it won't be able to scrutinize. Okay, so for that purpose, make sure that all the links which you have shared are public links. Once this part is done, we move back and copy and paste the link here. Now for the attendance sheet URL. So as you might know that you might be attending some other clubs events, or Rotary actors from other clubs might be attending your events. So that needs to be scrutinized as well. So for that, maintain a attendance sheet something like this, which will have say the name of the club and the number of members participating from that particular event. This is not the final attendance sheet, and make sure that your full attendance sheets have all the details regarding all the members or all the guests who have participated in your event. But this is only for, say, the reporting part, and it is absolutely necessary that you do this. Now I'll just click on share, and again change anyone with the link can view this file. Okay, so once these settings have been updated, so anyone with the link can view these files. I'll just copy this link and paste it here. Now for participating Rotary actors, let's say 50, Rotarians say 5, guests say 10. All of these details, yes, have to match the attendance sheet which you have created, or unless, I mean, you might face a few issues during the ZR and DRR visit. Next is the Facebook event post event URL. Okay, so for this there is another Facebook post which this is after your project has concluded and you do an announcement sort of that yes, this is how your project went and everything. So copy and paste that link here. Now once everything has been done, Sankalp Taru, successful project, report, I'm sure you can be more creative than me at this. Once this is done, just hit submit button and wait. Now you will see that if Sankalp Taru project has turned green, that means it has been reported, and it has also been added to the report part, that is right here. So this is how you can go ahead, showcase your project and then report it. Now what I did here was I showcased the project and reported it right after, but I recommend that you wait for after the project has concluded and report it only after that. So for any other doubts, feel free to hit your zonal leaders up and they'll be sharing your queries there. And for other videos, keep following the series. We'll be uploading other demonstrations as well. Thank you so much.